Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make quick KFC style wings in the air fryer. So what I've done is I've cut the wings now and then we season it before coating in some egg. So I'm just going to coat it with all-purpose seasoning and garlic seasoning. Added some paprika on it as well. I've mixed 2 eggs to help the coating stick, and now we're going to make the flour. 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion granules, 2 teaspoons of salt, spoon of chili powder. If you don't want it spicy, you can skip this part. It's entirely up to yourself. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and then just mix this all together and you can actually taste your flavour and then add some more stuff accordingly. Next step is to dip the wings into the egg and then into the flour with the batter that you've made, and then you'll transfer them straight into the air fryer. So you've rolled it in the egg mixture and then rolled it in the flour and batter mixture. Just make sure they're coated really well. So what we need to do is just load this up in the air fryer, spray a bit of oil in it, and then get it started. Pour it in the air fryer, just spray with some oil if you have any. I'm just using some sunflower oil spray. Midway through cooking you'll turn them and you'll keep spraying it with oil. That's how you prevent it from getting like a white flour texture. Sprayed it with oil, you can see that it looks a tiny bit wet and less white, so we just load this in the air fryer and then we'll start the machine. It is now loaded. I will set it to 200 degrees for 20 minutes and then we'll check. We'll probably need to flip them, add some more oil, and then keep checking them. Been in there for 20 minutes and they're looking good. They're a bit overcooked slightly on the one side, but that's my fault as I didn't check them enough. Just flip them over, recoat with oil and reheat for a further 10 minutes. I recommend checking them every 2 minutes though, just to see how it's going. Maybe turn them slightly if they need to be turned. So it's been 10 minutes now, so they look cooked. Some flowers came off, 1 or 2 of them in places, but they do look legit. Looks very tasty. So let's plate this up now. So there you have it guys. Here we have some southern fried KFC spicy wings that anyone can do at home with some simple ingredients and an air fryer. Thanks for watching. Check out more of my videos to get an insight of some simple DIY air frying cooking.